the one who need to switch between multiple applications for your work, or you want an extended second screen display for your PC but you do not afford for it, then watch this video completely. In this video we're gonna know how to use our Android phone or tablet as a second screen monitor for Windows. For the people who don't know what this extended display is, it is a single PC connected to two displays with common keyboard and mouse. Here I am using my Android phone as a second screen display. The purpose of this is to use more than one application simultaneously on these two screens. We can easily drag application from one screen to other. We can use mouse everywhere on these two screens. Super cool, right? Let's get to know how to do this. In your computer, open your browser and visit spacedesk.net. Scroll down to the download section. Download the file that fits for your computer. Double click to open it. Then follow the on-screen prompt to install it. While installing, if your screen gets turned into a black screen, don't get panicked. It will retrieve within a minute. This occurs due to the installation of display driver of Spacedesk. Then install the Spacedesk application on your Android device and open it. Its interface looks like this. Make sure to connect your PC and Android device on the same network. Then it shows a PC IP address. Click that to proceed. Then you can see that the duplicate screen of our PC in a stretched manner. To fix this, on Google search for your phone resolution size and mode on it. On the app, open settings, choose resolution and choose custom resolution and enter the value that you have get from Google search. Now it looks good, right? Now let us see how it works. Let me connect to my computer. You can see that when I switch my phone to portrait mode, the laptop screen also gets switched to portrait mode. You can see that I can access my laptop from my phone. Finally I use Windows on touch screen. To make your Android device as an extended display, on your keyboard press Win key plus P and choose extended in the menu that appear. Now we are ready to experience this. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, consider subscribing, give thumbs up or thumbs down below, and your feedback in the comment section. Share this video with your friends and family.